Wouldn't you love to know what properties are in high demand? What properties do people want most? What properties sell fast and for the highest price? I'm going to tell you coming up next. Hi, I'm Dan Polimino from KW Big Island and the Hawaii team. Well, what properties are in high demand? What properties sell for the highest price? What properties are the crown jewels? Where should you buy here on the Big Island of Hawaii? Easy answer to this. It is in the short-term vacation rental zone. Now, if you know the Big Island, you know the west side at all up and down Ali'i Drive. As you head further north, you go past the 6 resorts, Kuanaiki, Kukio, Four Seasons, Waikoloa Beach, Manalani, Mauna Kea. Those are all in the vacation rental zone. If you buy a property in the vacation rental zone and it is eligible for a short-term vacation rental permit, you've done well. Those are the properties that sell. They gotta be in the right location. They gotta have some type of a view, preferably golf course, ocean, mountain, whatever. They have to be in reasonably good shape, nice layout, nice finishes, right project. All of those factors have to come into play. Those are the properties that are in most high demand, will sell quickly and sell for the highest price. You say, well, Dan, how do I know which one those are? You don't have to. All you have to do is rely on us here at the Hawaii team. We know the projects, we know the subdivisions, we know what properties sell best. And so if you're looking for a high demand property, contact us here at the Hawaii team. We will steer you to the right projects and make sure that you have an excellent investment. As I always say, I'll never let you buy something that I wouldn't buy myself. I have no problem telling you, nope, that's not something we should look at, or yep, that's something we should look at. And really what I'm talking about here is investment properties, short-term vacation rentals, where you can have a rate of return, cash on cash, monthly basis from rental revenue, but also have terrific appreciation. High demand properties that will sell fast. You need to contact us here at the Hawaii team. 808-913-0899, 808-913-0899. Check us out at the Hawaii team and subscribe. If you like these videos, get them every week right here at the Hawaii team YouTube channel. Just click the subscribe button, share them with a friend. And as I always say, if you call the number, I'll actually pick up and you can talk with me. And we would love to earn your business. In the meantime, hope to see you in Hawaii. Aloha.